Guys, in today's video we're going to show you how to fly. Yes, this is very dangerous, and as you know we have done this before and we are heavily trained as professionals. Yes, so as you know, before you have to do this you have to make sure that you are heavily trained or that you are with someone who's heavily trained in the world. So let's get right into it. Yes, so let's just walk over there and show you the thing.
Okay.
We have made it.
Yes.
And now it's time to show the case.
Yes. Okay. So, let's just wait. We should jump over there on the podium, the paddle. Yes. And we are just going to fly up into the skies over here.
Yes.
That's perfect. Okay. So
let's do it.
let's just jump in 3, 2, 1. The air is so thin.
Yes.
Do you see Africa?
Oh my god.
I'm choking. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh well. Well, this is, I guess, the end of the video.
Yes. So guys.
Yes.
Thanks for watching and like and subscribe and
Give me money.
goodbye.
Bye.